So you've got all these massive challenges. It seems impossible, right? But it turns out the solution is, well, it's both incredibly simple and seriously powerful. This is the big aha moment, the giant insight. You don't need some master detective, some central brain looking at the whole map. All you need is for every single node to follow one simple local rule, and the entire graph will just organize itself. And here's the rule. It's so elegant, so simple. Every single dot, every node, just looks at its immediate friends and asks one question. What's the most popular color around here? Then it just switches its own color to match that majority. That's it. This one little move, when you repeat it over and over, is all you need to find those hidden neighborhoods. Let's watch it happen. So we start with absolute chaos. Imagine every dot just gets a random color splashed on it. No rhyme or reason, just a random guess for what community it's in. And then the rule kicks in. A couple of nodes look around. They see what color is most popular with their direct neighbors and poof, they switch. You start to see these tiny little patches of agreement forming. And that one simple decision, it starts to ripple out. When one node changes color, it influences its neighbors on the next round. And those tiny patches start to grow and connect and merge into these larger, stable continents of color. And then everything settles. The colors lock in, the ripples stop, and just look at what's left behind. It's this beautifully organized map. Each color is a hidden neighborhood, found not by some grand master plan, but by millions of tiny, independent local decisions.